Today I'm reviewing the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Thirst Burst Drops Dewy and Brightening. I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. Really quick, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe to my newsletter. Kind of had a fun one this week, so check out the link below and check out the link below to the e.l.f. product that I'm reviewing. So it's heavy. You wouldn't think it was as heavy, but it's got some weight to it. So, okay, so they say the e.l.f. Thirst Burst Drops reveal a juicy, radiant complexion, both instantly and over time, infused with 1% hydrating hibiscus complex and hyaluronic acid, plus a brightening 5% niacinamide, which every product has in it pretty much nowadays. The multi-use formula gives that dewy post-shower glow with a non-greasy feel. Okay, on to my first criteria, which is packaging. I've got a heavy glass pump bottle. No issues with that. It's nice. It feels nice. And it's probably recyclable. It is. It's got the triangle on it.
So they can see the logo.
Oh, it's showing the recycling thing.
There you go. Okay.
The recycling thing's right here.
Yeah.
Okay. There's no denatured types of alcohol. There's no fragrance and no real scent to it. It's made in China, but they want you to know it's designed in the U.S. So whatever that means, it's made in China. Okay, ease of use. So this one, so they say use on its own. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to your skin after cleansing and toning. I applied it this morning underneath my sunscreen and foundation. So you can prime your skin with that. You can also mix it with your foundation, which I've tried. So if you have a foundation that you find to be a little too full coverage or a little too matte, I find you can mix like a half a pump of this in with your foundation, and it actually helps kind of shear it out a little bit, which is kind of nice if you have a foundation that you find too full coverage or too heavy. On its own, it does give a nice dewy finish. I'll show you the video of me applying it, but it's got a nice texture overall. It smooths over skin nicely. A little bit of it goes a long way, which makes it feel nice on your skin. And it has some brightening ingredients. I think we've got mica, a type of mica in here, tin oxide, titanium dioxide, and red 40. So, because it is kind of has a pink tone to it. So, no issues with ease of use. So, for beneficial ingredients in here, we've got the niacinamide, which is brightening, vitamin E, and antioxidant. Synthetic mica, which gives it a little bit of a shine or a glow. Mica is commonly used in makeup and eyeshadow and bronzers and things like that. We've got an ingredient called mini hyaluronic acid, which is smaller, kind of a chopped up type of hyaluronic acid that is supposed to help with hydrating, but it can be kind of a controversial ingredient because some research out there indicates that it could be pro-inflammatory. So, and that would be, I think, low or small hyaluronic acid. We've got sunflower seed oil, which is an emollient and berry pairing ingredient. We've got erythritol, which is a humectant. And then finally, we've got the hibiscus, which is a hydrating and mild antioxidant. In my opinion, it's kind of a average ingredient, and it's one of the last ingredients. So, I mean, it's not too big of a deal. It's not the most exciting ingredient list I've ever seen. It's not terrible, but it'd be nice if they made a primer with some, like, additional antioxidants or threw something in there to really help protect your skin, but it's kind of flat or average, I would say. So, in terms of animal testing, they are cruelty-free, so no issues with that. In terms of performance, it's an average serum. It's not life-changing. It's nothing I would repurchase. It's nice. It's affordable. And the thing is, with mixing this with your foundation, you can mix most other products or moisturizers or bronzers, things with your foundation to sheer it out a little bit. This isn't unique in that form, but it does blend well with foundation. Some products may not be as friendly to blending, but certain moisturizer, things like that, you can mix with your foundations just fine. So no issues with that. It does have a dewy effect when you apply it. However, when I apply my sunscreen over it, that dewy finish is pretty much gone. So it's not the most exciting thing. For what it promises, a multi-use formula that gives skin a dewy and post-shower glow. I would agree it kind of does that, but doesn't have really much other skin benefits aside from that. But yeah, friendly for most skin types, which is nice. For acne-prone skin, we've got 2 ingredients of note: vitamin E and red 40. Is red 40 the controversial one? I don't know. All the colors they're saying are kind of not necessarily the best tasting, but anyway, it's different when you're putting it on your skin.
Aren't they made out of bugs?
I don't know if that one specifically is. I know a lot of the the red shadows and eyeshadow pigment sometimes are. So anyway, yeah. Although this one's, does this say it's vegan? It's vegan, so this one will not have bugs in it.
Okay.
Probably.
Except for Red 40.
Except for Red 40. Okay, in terms of the price, it's nice. It's affordable. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, $12. Makes it really affordable. If you're younger and have younger skin that doesn't have aging or brightening needs or things like that, you can get away with it. When you're younger, you can get away with things like that. When you get older, you need something with a little more oomph. In terms of the it factor, not a must-have or much repurchase. It's a decent product for hydration, not much else. Otherwise, you can purchase a basic hyaluronic serum if you want. There's some dupes. They are the Pacifica Kind Tint Tinted Serum, the Bliss Glow and Hydrate Day Serum, the Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum, the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip 12-Hour Gel Skin Tint, which won't be a dupe because I think that's a foundation. And then the probably closest one is the Simple Skincare Booster Serum with 3% hyaluronic acid and vitamin B. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 7. It's average at best, which is just fine for most people, unless you need help with texture, brightening, wrinkles, which is what I need help with basically everything. So anyway, curious if you guys have a chance to check it out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.